What do you feel when someone mentions traveling to Canada? एक homely सी feeling आती है, right? And क्यों नहीं आएगी? More than 1 million Indians call Canada their home. And if you're too planning to visit Canada as a tourist or to meet a family member, ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। हम सारे steps और सारी information बताएंगे that you should know to get Canada visitor visa. Let's start. Before we show you the application steps, these things are important for you to know. Firstly, Canadian Embassy issues a multiple entry visa with 10 years validity, which means if approved, over 10 years आप कितनी भी बार कनाडा की ट्रिप कर सकते हैं, but note, आप एक ट्रिप में 6 महीने से ज्यादा कनाडा में नहीं रुक सकते. Second, there are multiple steps in this visa process. First, you need to complete the online application form. फिर आपको विजिट करना होगा nearest visa application center to give biometrics, यानी fingerprints and eye scan. And then, if approved, again you'll need to go to the center to submit passport. Thirdly, the Canadian Embassy takes time to process and approve the application, and आपको इस time के according ही अपनी trip plan करनी चाहिए. And you can check this processing time. To do that, go to this website. इसका link video description में है. Select your application type, जो कि temporary residence है in this case. Select type of temporary application, that is visitor visa from outside Canada. And finally, select आप कहाँ से apply कर रहे हैं, that is India. Once you do this, press this button and you will get the result. You can see that right now, the website shows 114 days. This means आपको 114 days at least wait करना पड़ेगा after biometric submission to know the decision on your application. Fourth, the visa fee is 185 Canadian dollars, that is approximately rupees 11,200. And lastly, आपको जरूर upload करने पड़ेंगे ये documents and कुछ forms. Scanned copy of passport's front and back page, a digital photo in white background, Aadhaar card plus PAN card, personal detail form and family information form. For travel history, scanned copies of all stamps on old and new passports. For proof of means of financial support, if you are an employee, 3 months payslips, 6 months statement of salary account and filed ITR. Or 3 years of filed income tax return, GST certificate and company bank statement if you are self-employed. For purpose of travel, cover letter, dummy hotel bookings and flight reservations, invitation letter if you have a family member living there. And lastly, you can put additional documents like marriage certificate, previous employment records, no objection certificate from employer and client information. Make sure the scanned copy's file size is less than 4 MB and are labeled correctly. अगर इस point तक कोई भी information आपको समझ नहीं आई, feel free to ask about that in the comment section below. And to recap, this is all what we have shared till now. Now that you know all this, let's move to कैसे apply करें. There are two ways. आप Atlas के through कर सकते हैं or you can do it on your own. We'll share both, but let's start with the simpler one first. The application link for Canada visa through Atlas is in the video description below. जब आप click करोगे, you will land on this page. Left side पे you'll find all the important information जैसे visa type, application process, FAQs and more. Read through the same and whenever you are ready, start your application. Then platform आपसे पूछेगा आपकी departure date और month. इसमें at least 3 months आगे की date लिखना and when you confirm the same, your application will start. From there, all you need to do is to sit straight when we click your picture, to steadily hold front page of your passport and share details about yourself and your travel plans. एक बार ये हो गया and you have paid government and Atlas service fee, you will be done. वहाँ से our team will pick things up. Fill the online application form, collect soft copies of all your documents, coordinate with you to book biometric appointment and keep you in the loop about embassy's decision. Simple, right? And ये सब 2 से 3 मिनट में हो जाएगा. But अगर आपको खुद फॉर्म फिल करना है, you can do that too. Let's tell you how. अपने सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स इकट्ठे करने के बाद go to this website. It's linked in the description below. When it opens, scroll below and click on this to make a GC key account. जब आपका अकाउंट बन जाएगा तो कुछ ऐसी स्क्रीन नजर आएगी. From here you can then start your application. प्लेटफॉर्म आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछेगा about you, your travel plan and history, criminal record, purpose and then आपको एक डॉक्यूमेंट चेकलिस्ट जनरेट करके देगा. Make sure आप सारे क्वेश्चंस सही आंसर करें. After you have uploaded all documents, submit the application by paying the visa fee of 185 Canadian dollars. When you are done with this, आपका application confirmation email पर आ जाएगा 1 घंटे तक. And in 24 to 72 hours, you will receive the biometrics instruction letter on your GC key account. ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. इस लेटर के मिलने के बाद go to this website. Again, link is in the description below. Click on continue, verify mobile number, add email and upload biometrics instruction letter. उसके बाद you'll just have to select center and click on submit. Once done, आपको आपका appointment confirmation letter email पर आ जाएगा थोड़े दिनों में. Make sure on the appointment day you take along this letter, that is biometrics instruction letter. your passport, appointment confirmation letter and VFS consent form. You'll get free in 1 hour and uske baad your waiting starts. If your visa is approved, you will get an email and आपको दोबारा center बुलाया जाएगा, or you can choose a courier service for passport submission. But if it's not approved, in that case too आपको rejection letter mail पर आ जाएगा. And that is all. To conclude, this is everything you need to know about the visitor visa application process of Canada. Feel free to ask any questions you may have in the comment section below. Our team of visa experts will be happy to solve this for you. We'll be back with another episode of How to Visa with Atlas. Till then, explore more guides as well as our vlogs to draw inspiration for your future adventures. Travel safe. See you soon.